Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys a website that will pay you guys $60 just by watching videos like YouTube videos only. That's all you do, and they will pay you up to $60 in this video. That's what I'm going to be showing you guys. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. I'm Chido original, and welcome to my know-how channel. In this channel I teach you everything and anything you need to know about making money online, about investing your money and making your money work for you as well. So you might consider subscribing so you won't miss out on any important update I give you guys. I drop videos 2 times every single week, so hit that red subscribe button right now, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified each time I drop awesome videos just like this. And today's topic, I'll be telling you guys how to, it's a website rather, that will be paying you guys $60 just by watching videos like YouTube videos. So the name of the website we'll be using is superpay.me. So type superpay. I'll leave the link on the description box below. So superpay.me, right? Superpay.me. It will load up and I'll show you guys the interface of the website and how to use it. So this is the interface. As you can see, it has a nice feel already. So scrolling down, you can see what they have paid. We have paid our members up to that. This is 3 million US dollars. That's what they have paid their members. So this is a good way to cash out online. So just consider using this website right now. But let me give you guys a quick tour about this website. This superpay.me rather. So make money online with free paid surveys today. Or this, they have a survey platform, but I won't encourage you to use that survey platform. I'll encourage you to use the video that by watching videos and getting paid. So fast payments within 24 hours, low cash out threshold. Their threshold is like 90 cents, just 90 cents. You can cash out 90 cents. Alright, okay, so it's a low cash out and all that. So their payment is 24 hours. Even at night you want to cash out, you can use the cash out and you can work from home. So another one is promo codes and cash contents. So they have cash contents and people win like bonus prizes like the first position, second position and third position, that kind of contest and all that. So you can win way more. So paid surveys and offers, they have paid surveys and offers, but you can do the paid surveys, but paid surveys normally take time. Surveys and offers, you open the site, they'll redirect you to another site. You open another site, they'll redirect you to another site and all that. But the one I'll be using in this video, I'll encourage you guys to watch the videos. These videos, once you watch videos, you're able to make your cool $60. So joining bonus is like 20 cents. At least it's better than nothing. So it's 20 cents for joining. That's the joining bonus. Generous referral program. So they have a referral program whereby you can refer people and also make money. So see the list of payment platforms that they accept. They accept PayPal, they accept Tango card, Amazon gift cards, Credit and Bitcoin. So there's no excuse for you out there to say that this won't pay for you, or you won't know how to cash out after earning your cool bucks and all that. So it works, and the cool thing is that it works in Nigeria, it works in Bangladesh, India, and any part of the country you're in. But like I keep saying in all of my videos, I encourage you to use a VPN and log in. That's using a US VPN, because you get more videos and more offers that way, right? So join free today. It's free to join, right? And you get your 20 cent bonus, and you take part in surveys and offers and get paid and you cash it out. That's basically what this is saying. So you can take your time and watch out this video. This video will just give you a quick thought about how it works. So earn cash, reward, complete surveys and all that. Watch videos, see where my interest is at. Or if you want to complete surveys, because I've gotten feedback about survey, it takes time and all that, and offers, it takes time. But my own trick, you can just put this on autoplay and just leave it and you'll be earning your box. So watch videos, take time in paid trials, surveys and offers. But I'm more interested in the watch videos aspect, and redeem your points for the Tango gift card. Right, this is it. Earn free gift card. So you can also earn a free gift card. See, this is all the offers that are giving you guys. You can earn points, you can earn cash. Your points you converted to cash once you want to cash it out, right? So why choose work online? You can go through this. I don't want to make this video very long, so I'll just make it brief. Make money quickly. Over 3 million. As you can see, they have paid over 3 million to their members since 2012. So it has been here for a while, but only few people know about it. Only the few, and see their reviews. You can see their reviews right here. High paying surveys, instant PayPal payout. And as like I said, they can pay you from 90 cents and above. 90 cents and above, you can just cash it out to your PayPal or Bitcoin, whichever you prefer. So this is the reviews. If you want to take your time and go down through all these reviews, you can go down and check it out. People that have been using this style, as you can see, it's like a 5-star review, and it's legit, right? And here's their privacy policy. Like privacy policy, they won't use your information and sell it out, so you have your privacy intact. And I encourage you guys, any site that you are visiting and they don't have this privacy policy, just keep an eye open, right? Because they can sell your information to other clients. So just check this privacy policy so your data is safe, right? So if you have any question or comment, just leave it at the comment section below. Like you know me always, I always respond to all my comments. I don't miss any of them because I value you guys a lot. I hope you guys value me too. So moving on, I'll show you guys how it works. Click on this tab right here. Click on this tab and it will load up, and I'll show you guys how it works. So how it works is basically you join free and you earn your 20 cents, right? You take part in surveys and offers every day and you earn your cool cash, right? You can go this route and you can watch videos as well, right? And you can cash it out using PayPal and Bitcoin and all other apply Amazon gift card and other Tango and all that. But like those of you guys living in Nigeria, I have a video on PayPal. In case PayPal is an issue for you, it works. You can receive your money there or Bitcoin. So moving on. Here is the videos. You can join effortless weekend money. Simply watch videos we have available for you. So simply by watching videos, you can earn cool cash. So that's what I'm all after. So you can just put this on autoplay rather. So it will now play and you earn your cool box, right? And you can get your referral program. Once someone signs up using your referral program, you make a commission and the person gets a commission as well. So it's a win-win for both of you guys. So that being said, you can also check the payment proof. The people that have paid out today, that have been paying out a lot of people today. So this is the payment proof. So scrolling down, you can see this guy. Today's date is July 28th. That's the day I'm recording this video, right? So this guy, you can see this JD43 is PayPal. See the amount you cash out. You can cash out any amount that you want, but this is what they choose to. This one is $4, this one is $7, this one is $3. You can go through all this. This is proof. Okay, this guy is 12, this guy is $19. So it's proof that it works. And this is just for today. Imagine if this guy is doing this every day. How much you be cashing out? So this is results. It's showing you guys proof that it works. So if you are getting value already on this video, I will encourage you to smash that like button real hard. It will encourage the YouTube algorithm to put this video to the very top, so much people will watch and gain value just like you did. They will gain a lot of value. So now I'm going back to the home page. Let me click on join now, so you see the interface of the joining program. So share this video with your friends, especially in this pandemic, so that they can gain as much value as you are gaining. A lot of people lost their source of income. It's not a happy or funny story, right? So encourage people to make money online. So okay, I'll show you guys. Here is the country section. If you scroll down, you see that countries like where I'm in Nigeria. I'll show you that Nigeria works in Nigeria. They accept Nigeria, right? So there's no limitation for you to say that this doesn't work, and you can quickly register, because I don't want to make this video very long. I've been getting feedbacks that my video is getting a bit longer and all that, so I'm trying to cut out all the unnecessary stuff. So you guys know, just put your name, last name, email, password, address, city, zip code, your country. I've shown you guys Nigeria is accepted. I can take other ones like Bangladesh, but let me not make Nigeria is accepted. So payment terms, you put your PayPal email address right here, so they will completely pay you. So while registering, make sure you put the correct email address you used for your PayPal so that they will pay directly to your PayPal account. So if you have all this email, you can put it as well. If you have your Bitcoin account address, you can put it here. But you can go with PayPal, right? PayPal works in Nigeria. I have a video on that. Check it out on my playlist. And just select all this and tick I'm not a robot and create account. Once you create account, you see where the proof, where surveys are and videos. I encourage you to do the surveys and offers if you can, but if you can't, just stick with the videos and watch as much videos as you can. You start making your box and all that, start making money. So that being said, I will encourage you guys to check out the EP on my description box. It's an EP, Africana Vibe. I just dropped it. Check it out. It's dope. It's instrumental. It's a 10-track EP and it's available on all media platforms. So just check it out and you'll be glad you did. Any feedback that you have about the song, about the instrumentals, just let me know. So a playlist will pop up on your screen right now. A playlist will pop up on your screen right here. So just click on that playlist and learn other ways to make money online on 2020. So click on that playlist. You'll be glad that you did and watch as much videos in the playlist as you can. That being said, guys, I will see you on my next video.